Good morning, class. Today we'll continue with the chapter The French Revolution. And yesterday we had discussed the struggle to survive, and we knew all the characters and discussed the three estates society was divided into which, and the struggle to survive means how the population increased and the price of the bread rose. Majority of the people were suffering. What happened later after? We'll see. So, how a substance crisis happen? Substance crisis means where people are not able to survive. Means continuously the effect come on the population. So we know that the harvest is bad every year for most in these European country. So when harvest is bad, what will happen? We know that scarcity of food will be there. Then rising of food prices will be taking place. Then after, the poorest can no longer buy the bread. Another same situation can take place here. That is the weaker of the bodies. If people are not getting food, simultaneously, the food right stick can take place, disease can be there, and increased number of deaths will be there. So, this is all about the flow chart means it can happen when the food scarcity is there in a country. So, it was happening in France. Now, here another paragraph, it is showing not properly the heading, but I tell you about the heading is a growing middle class envisages an end to privileges. End to privileges, here we have to understand that we knew that society was divided into three estates. This is first, second, and third. We know that first states for clergy, then noble and king, and third one is of again divided into three category. They were the middle class, upper middle class, merchants, lawyers. Then after peasantry class who were fully responsible for agriculture. Another was that of the poor class, the laborer, the workers who were working on other land sometime, earning daily wages on some kind of other work. So this was, but it was not a new time. It was happening since centuries or since many years ago. But we'll see here that the first category of third estate, they were very much conscious regarding the society. So in 18th century, what happened? A new class of society emerged, middle class, that either overseas trade used to manufacture the textile. Means these people, you can imagine or you can understand, suppose these are the people, these are the upper caste, upper middle class people, and they were who, particularly whose business was there and who were the traders and manufacturers. They were working or they were earning money, and because of them society has some standard, and because of these people, and within these people there were lawyers, administrative officials, and that believe that no group of society should be given privileges by birth. Means these people, why this particularly come, we can understand. These people were educated. Means when they're doing business, they were the trade person, so they thought what was happening in the society. We know that there was absolute monarchy in the country, and with that monarchy what was happening we will see, and we will know all the things about. But monarchy was not in favor of the people. It wanted tax from the people to meet the expenses of the palace. Everything we have discussed yesterday. So these people who were the officials and believe that no group of society, means we have seen there that three estates are there and two were exempted. They were not paying tax, but the third one is paying taxes only. So they thought that no group of society should be given privileges at birth, by birth. Means if they are rich, it is not the fault of poor that they are poor, they will be paying the tax only. Philosophers and the people opposing with the other with the same factor. Means the philosopher, you understand, who has some ideas, writing the books and wanting that society should come on that path. So they were John Locke, who wrote the book two treaties of government. Sought to refute the doctrine in divine. Refute means he went opposed. He did not agree with that. Okay? He opposed that. He was not ready to accept that the doctrine of divine. Doctrine of divine means like it is given by God. Means if we are rich, so it is not because of any fault. The God has made us rich. He has given the birth in a rich family. They wanted this who? Monarchy or the rich class people. Jean-Jacques Rousseau opposed of the form of government based on social contract. Now again another philosopher was Jean-Jacques Rousseau. First was John Locke, second was Jean-Jacques Rousseau, and he wrote the book that is social contract. Social contract, by the meaning we can understand easily, where is the contract in society, poor and their representatives. Social contract of people, sorry, not poor, people and their representative means in democracy what we learn that only the people who elect their leader, okay, who elect their leader and they made the government. So here we see where are the people only when they are under the burden of taxes. So Montesquieu, another philosopher, the spirit of laws and proposed the government with three divisions of legislative, executive and judiciary. So that third philosopher, third person, Montesquieu, he wrote another book that is spirit of the laws. Means whatever the laws we bring in the society, they have spirit. Spirit means they are live when people are following them. Because of life the people are having all the laws na. Otherwise dead man, this does not means he does not or she does not need any kind of law. So spirit means he thoroughly pour the feeling of the liveliness and proposed the government within three division. He said that there should be three part of government, mean it should work in a three manner, as we study in federalism in our democracy, that is legislative, executive and judiciary. So this was the idea behind these philosophers, and to that we can say a growing middle class envisages to end to privileges, means they believed or they imagined, and this is here means is that they imagine a society where all the privileges not for rich people, high class people, aristocratic people, not for aristocratic people but for all, means they are not fully enjoy all the rights because they are rich only. So this was regarding that. In the next we will discuss the estates general, what will happen. So I stop this video here and take the topic in another one. Thank you.